Make a great choice today with the 2019 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed and is priced below $120,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote engine start, speed control, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heads-up display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.